welcome to my channel. So I did a thing. I bought a house at 25, and not just a house, it's a fixer-upper. So I want to show you guys the house tour. There's so many things that I want to do with the home, so I'm really just trying to figure it all out. I think it makes it's definitely not a year. Well, I was about to say a year. It's not a year. It makes 3 months this month that I've been in the house and nothing's done. No, I'm just kidding. There's a few things that are done, but I'm just ready to just get it all gone and get everything new. Learning how to fix up things and just do all of these things is just so hard. Like, it's just one person. It's a lot of work. And ain't nobody tell me that. Ain't nobody tell me that part, okay? Hey guys, welcome to the home tour. So a quick fun fact, I actually filmed this video when I was going to go look at the home for the first time. There was a realtor that was there and he was actually showing someone else the house, but I was like, oh, I'm about to go to this house and I am about to take a tour. And y'all, I walked into the house and I was like, yep, this one's mine. Now, granted, the pictures online was so deceiving, y'all. I actually did not know that this home was going to be like a fixer-upper. Everything was going to be sold. I mean, the home was put up as is. But the pictures versus you actually going in and seeing the home and some of the things that needed work. And mostly everything was cosmetic. So I felt like, okay, well, I'm going to take a chance on the home, guys. When I walked to the home, I was like, this is it. And mind you, this was, I can't say it's the only home that I looked at. There was like 3 other homes that I looked at and like went to go see, but didn't actually go into the home. And I only saw the outside. I was like, And then I kept looking and I was just like, it was something about this home where I was just like, this is the one. So yeah, took a chance, went, and I was like, yep, it's fine. Next day, put in an offer. Literally, we made it work. So right here, as you can see, there's some things that needs to be done. This is what I mean by like cosmetic. There's a lot more that I will be showing you guys throughout the process of getting the home together and making it, come together. So this is me heading upstairs, and we're about to enter into the master bedroom. I cannot talk, y'all. I have a cold, so please bear with me. We're entering into the master bedroom. And in the master bedroom, there's a couple of things that need to be done. There's some light switches that need to be fixed. And then also getting I can't even remember or can't find the words, but the molding on the bottom, that's not what it's called, but that's what we're going to say for right now, needs to be done. And there's also the same thing that needs to be done in the master bathroom, which is what we're in right now, and also in the second room, which is where we're about to go right now too. And as you can see, you see it clearly. Oh my goodness, y'all, cannot talk. I'm so sorry. You see it clear in here in the second room where all of those things need to be done. And as of today, all of those things have been done. So yay. My aunt got on me and she was like, you need to make sure you get that done before winter come. And y'all, I was not playing. I got it done, okay? And we've been in the home for 3 months, and we got it done. All right, y'all, so this is the laundry room. Sorry. This is the laundry room, and it came with washer and dryer. So we're super excited about that. Yeah, so I'm excited for you guys to see all of the things that I'm going to be doing with the home. This is my first night sleeping in the house. Haven't really, only thing really done up here is like clean. Gotta do some hole patching. I think my favorite thing is the beautiful flowers outside the window. Just imagine when it starts snowing and everything. It would just be so lovely. So, what do you guys think? Should bed be on this side or should it be where I'm at right now? I really love the fact that me laying here, I can just see everything from the window. Of course, you know, I'm going to put curtains up and everything, but I just really love being able to see that. I just feel like it was so peaceful waking up and being right here, you know, and seeing everything. I really love that. So, and I feel like with having the bed right there, I feel like it'll be too close to the over here, too close to the mirror. So I'm thinking, you know, do some really beautiful things here, maybe TV there. Yeah, and then that's the bathroom through there. And I just feel like over here may actually work. The blow-up mattress that I'm laying on is a queen, so my bed that I brought is also a queen. But I'm not putting anything in here yet because, as you can see, the baseboards are not done yet. So they have to be put on and everything. Painting and everything needs to be done. Ceiling fan being replaced. So yeah, some work to be done. But this is where we are right now. It was a butterfly that was up there. On the thing, it was just so pretty. I was hoping that I would catch it for y'all, but I didn't. All right, guys. See ya later.